Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. If you are unable to use cellular data or make or receive call on your iPhone and unable to send or receive messages, then keep watching this video until the end, cause today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to go to settings, then tap General and tap Software Update and check the latest iOS version. Then go back to General, tap Transfer Reset iPhone, tap Reset and tap Reset All Settings. Put iPhone passcode and tap again Reset All Settings to confirm. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. After that, we have to go back to settings. Here we have to enable the airplane mode. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button. Quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. After the force restart, we have to go back to settings and disable the airplane mode. That what we have to do, we have to tap on mobile or cellular data, then tap network selection and turn off automatic. Now we have to wait for a couple of seconds, a minute or less than a minute, and then enable automatic again. Finally, what we have to do, we have to launch settings, put your iPhone again in airplane mode. Now eject the SIM card, clean it properly and reinsert and disable airplane mode. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.